Good morning to everyone. Again, we come on the online platform of the Cavalier. During this video lecture, I will provide you the complete information about the CUET 2022. You know very well, CUET Common University Entrance Test. Okay, and according to new government policy, we have to appear in the examinations, and according to your rank you will allocate the college. In this video I will provide you the exam pattern, its marking scheme, its syllabus, all these things I will discuss step by step. First of all, the exam pattern will be based on the CBT, computer based test. Second one is the test will be conducted in the 2 shifts, and third is it is organized by NTA, and the fourth one is the duration of the online submission of the form is from 6 April to 6 May up to 5 PM. Okay. The exam pattern has divided in the 3 parts. In first part, section 1, it is divided in also the 2 parts, that is section 1A and section 1B. Section 1A contains 13 languages: Hindi, English, Bengali, Marathi, whatever any language you can choose, in which you have to appear in the examination. And the section B is 1B, that contains the foreign language, the language in which you have to learn in the colleges. That means in further educations, in which language you have to do the further education. It may be French, German, Spanish, whatever any language you can choose, in which you have to do the further study. In these sections, there will be the 50 questions. Number of the questions will be 50. We have to attempt the 40 questions, and the time durations will be 45 minutes. For each correct questions, you will get the 5 marks, and for incorrect, -1 mark will be deducted. Now we come to the second sections. The second sections is the basically domain specific subject. In these sections, it contains 27 subjects. It may be physics, chemistry, biology, psychology, political science, economics, whatever any subject. Okay, and during this section, there will be also number of questions will be 50. We have to attempt the 40 questions, and the time durations will be 45 minutes. Okay. In third sections, that is the general test. In these sections, there will be the content of the GK, general knowledge. The next one is the current affairs, aptitude test, reasoning, and basic mathematics, that is mensuration, algebra. All these contents will be added. But in these cases, the number of questions will be 75. 60 questions you have to attempt, and the time durations will be 60 minutes. Okay. Now we come to the syllabus of the CUET. The syllabus is completely NCERT based syllabus, and that is from the 12th class. And right now I will discuss the topic, that is the electric field and potential. That is very important topic for the CUET 2022. Basically, the questions will be MCQ type, and I will discuss the basic concept, basic introductions of field and potential, and what are the techniques to solve the objective questions. Okay. Now we come to the point. We come to the point that is called the electric field. You must have the idea what is the actual meaning of the electric field. Electric field होता क्या है? You must have the idea about these things. You know it very well. Whenever a charge is placed, okay, the space around a charge in which its effect can be realized, it is a certain distance, it is a certain region up to which its effect can be realized. That is called electric field. This is called the electric field. That means a space around a charge in which its effect can be realized. Its effect can be realized. That is called the electric field, and this is called the Q naught. Q naught is the source charge. This is called source charge. The charge which produces the electric field, that is called the source charge, and there will be one more. This is called Q naught. Q naught is called test charge. The charge which tests the effect of source charge, that is called test charge. This is called the test charge. That means it checks the effect of source charge. Within a particular distance, it can realize, and that particular distance is termed as electric field. That is called electric field. That means a space around a charge in which its effect can be realized, that is called electric field. If we take this charge at this point, then at this point, how much force has been realized? At this point, how much force has been realized? That is called electric field intensity. That is called electric field intensity. And in this case, we have to discuss about the electric field intensity, how to find electric field intensity at a particular point. Most of the time, there is a questions that has been asked for the examination, how to find electric field intensity at a particular point. The term is electric field intensity. This is the electric field intensity. Basically, it can be defined as force experienced by a unit positive charge. Force experienced by a unit positive charge is called electric field intensity. This is called electric field intensity. I have already discussed about the electric field. Electric field is particular region. It is a distance in which its effect can be realized. एक particular distance तक इसका कितना इफेक्ट होता है एक पर्टिकुलर चार्ज का एक पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस, that distance is called electric field. But at a particular point, how much force has been realized? एक पॉइंट चार्ज कितना फोर्स रियलाइज करता है एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे, that is termed as the electric field intensity. And in this case, I have told you about the two charges. The first one is source charge and second is the test charge. Source charge, that means that produces the electric field, that is called source charge, and test charge, that means which tests the effect of source charge, that is called the test charge. You can easily understand by the examples. You know that if you are using the heater in the cold season, heater is the source charge and your hand is the test charge. As soon as the distance will increase, your hand will increase, its effect will decrease. This is the same thing. As soon as the distance of the test charge will increase, its effect will decrease. Basically, intensity is the effect of the force. That means the force experienced by unit positive charge is called electric field intensity, and mathematically this is I equal to F upon Q naught. Q naught is the test charge and F is the force experienced at a particular point. How much force has been experienced, that is called the intensity. Okay, this is called intensity. Basically, we have to discuss about the electric field intensity due to a point charge. Most of the time questions has been asked from this topic. In this case, unit I equal to F upon Q naught. Suppose this is the charge Q and this is the charge Q naught, and this is the O point and this is the P point. The distance between them is OP to R. I have told you we have to find the intensity at P point due to this charge. This distance is OP equal to R. Now F equal to, first of all you have to find, this is the K, Q naught upon R square, and in this case intensity will be I equal to F upon Q naught. I have already told you force experienced by unit positive charge. Now substitute this value, this is the K, Q naught upon R square, and this is Q naught. This will be cancelled out. That means intensity will be basically I equal to, this is the K Q by R square. This is the mathematical expression for the intensity at a particular point due to charge Q, which is situated at a distance R. In this case, intensity is inversely proportional to R square. I have already discussed that as soon as the distance will increase, its effect will decrease. This is the intensity, electric field intensity. Now I would like to discuss the one objectives, that is MCQ. The question is that two charges 4E and E are placed at a distance A apart. At what point on the line joining, at what point on the line joining the electric field intensity will be 0. Okay, the question is that there are the two charges plus 4D and E are placed at a distance of A apart. Correct? At what point on the line joining the electric field intensity will be 0? At what point on the line joining the electric field intensity will be 0? Now you can solve it. This is the 4D and this is the E, and the distance between them is 2A. we have to consider, suppose is x is the distance at x is the distance from 4E. Now it will be A minus x. First of all, you have to find the intensity at this point. Suppose this is the P point. I1, we have to find intensity, point of zero intensity we have to find. That means we have to find the distance. Now we have to find intensity at P point due to this charge, I1 equal to K 4E upon x square. This is the first equation. Intensity will be zero if the force acting on this point due to this and force acting on this point due to this are equal and opposite. Then intensity will be zero. This is the intensity at P point due to plus 4E charge, K Q by x square. In the same way, you can find I2 equal to, this is K E upon A minus x square. These are the two equations. You can easily find the intensity at P point due to this charge and due to this charge. And furthermore, I1 equal to I2, that is K Q x square upon में K okay. This will be cancelled out. You can write 4 upon x square, that is 1 upon A minus x square. No need to simplify it in the form of A minus B ka whole square. You have to write this is 2 by x, its square, and this is 1 upon, this will be cancelled out. You can write 2 by x equal to 1 upon A minus x. Okay? This is 2 by x equal to 1 upon A minus x. You can write it. This is 2A minus 2x. Okay? Equal to x. This is 2A equal to 3x and x equal to, this is the 2 by 3A. This is the required answer to get the intensity. This is called the x equal to 2A. This is the point of zero intensity. At this point, the intensity will be zero. This is the normal method we have to proceed. And this is, and now I am providing you the technique so that you will get the direct result. According to this, you can apply x equal to root q1 into d upon में root q1 plus root q2. This is the point of zero intensity. No need to solve the lengthy method. We have to solve the MCQ. This is q1. You know this is 4E and d is the distance between the two charges. Now it will be d. That means you have given A. This is also root 4E plus. Okay. Just you have to substitute the values. Now you can write x equal to 2 root E. This is a root. You can write 2 root E plus root E. Okay. Is it clear? Now this, when you will simplify it upon में 3 root E, this will be cancelled out. That means x equal to, you will get the direct result. In case of MCQ, you have to apply the technique to get the direct result. This is the basic concept of point of zero intensity. How to find the zero intensity? X equal to, this is the 2 by 3A. And this is the intensity from the charge 4E. Okay? This is the basic concept of the electric field intensity. Okay?